For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. XRP is the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple network, designed to facilitate fast and cost-effective international money transfers. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just starting out, purchasing XRP can seem complex, but AI tools can make the process easier, safer, and more informed. In this guide, we'll walk you step by step through the process of buying XRP, enhanced by the power of AI tools that assist with research, security, decision-making, and automation. Step 1. Understand what XRP is. Before investing, it's essential to understand what XRP is and how it works. XRP is different from Bitcoin or Ethereum because it's not mined. Ripple Labs created all 100 billion XRP tokens at launch. The XRP ledger facilitates ultra-fast and low-cost cross-border payments, and XRP is the token used to facilitate these transactions. Use AI for research. You can use AI-powered research tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Google Gemini to explain how XRP works in plain language. Summarize recent news or legal developments, e.g., SEC lawsuits. Compare XRP to other cryptos. Identify risks and rewards of investing in XRP. Just ask. Summarize the current legal status of XRP in the U.S. What are the pros and cons of investing in XRP in 2025? Step 2. Choose a crypto exchange. To buy XRP, you need to sign up for a cryptocurrency exchange that supports XRP trading. Popular exchanges that support XRP: Binance, Coinbase, limited availability based on your region; Kraken, KuCoin, Bitstamp, eToro. Use AI to compare exchanges. Use ChatGPT or a crypto comparison AI tool like CoinMarketCap AI Assistant or CoinGecko AI Chat to ask, which exchange has the lowest fees for buying XRP? Which exchange is best for beginners to buy XRP in the US? AI can help compare fees, user interface, security features, reputation, KYC/AML requirements. Step 3. Create and verify your exchange account. Once you've chosen an exchange, go to its website or app and register. You'll need a valid email address, a strong password, government-issued ID for verification, passport or driver's license, possibly a selfie or proof of address. Use AI for ID verification assistance. AI tools like Jumio, Onfido, or ID.me are often used by exchanges to verify your identity. These tools use AI to detect fraudulent documents, confirm your face matches your ID, speed up approval times, follow the platform prompts, and the AI systems will do most of the work. Step 4. Secure your account. Security is crucial in crypto. Use these best practices. Enable 2FA, two-factor authentication. Use a strong password. AI tools like LastPass or Bitwarden can generate and store them. Beware of phishing sites or apps. Use AI for cybersecurity alerts. Use AI-powered security tools like AI-driven threat detection from antivirus programs, Norton, McAfee, etc. ChatGPT to ask, how do I know if a crypto exchange is fake or a scam? Step 5. Deposit funds. Now it's time to add money to your account. Most exchanges support bank transfers, ACH, SEPA, Wire, credit/debit cards, PayPal, on select platforms, USDT/USDC, crypto transfer from another wallet. Note, credit card purchases usually come with higher fees. Use AI to compare deposit methods. Ask, which deposit method has the lowest fees for XRP on Kraken? Is it better to use USDT or USD to buy XRP? This will help you minimize transaction costs. Step 6. Use AI to analyze market conditions. Before you buy, check the market. Timing matters, especially in crypto's volatile environment. AI tools for market analysis. 1. TradingView plus ChatGPT plugin. Ask ChatGPT to interpret XRP's chart trends. 2. CryptoQuant and Glassnode, AI-powered blockchain analytics platforms. 3. CoinMarketCap AI Assistant gives summaries and analysis of price movements, sentiment, and technicals. Ask, is XRP in a buying zone today based on RSI and MACD? What's the market sentiment around XRP? AI can summarize vast data into bite-sized, actionable insights. Step 7. Place a buy order. Now you're ready to buy XRP. Go to the XRP/USD or XRP/USDT trading pair and choose one of the following order types. Types of orders. Market order. Buys XRP immediately at the best available price. A limit order. Sets a specific price at which you want to buy. Stop limit order. Triggers a buy when the price hits a certain level. Use AI to help choose order type. Ask, what type of order should I use to minimize risk while buying XRP? AI might suggest a limit order during high volatility or a market order during stable conditions. Step 8. Store your XRP safely. After purchase, keep your XRP secure. You can leave it on the exchange, not recommended for large amounts. Transfer it to a software wallet like Trust Wallet or Exodus. Transfer it to a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for maximum security. Use AI to compare wallets. Ask, what is the safest XRP wallet in 2025? Compare Ledger versus Trezor for storing XRP. AI will evaluate based on security features, user experience, cost, supported coins. Step 9. Set up price alerts and AI-based tracking. Crypto markets move 24/7, and AI can help you track prices, news, and signals. Use these AI tools. CoinStats AI or Crypto.com AI Assistant to set price alerts. Token Metrics or Messari AI tools to get automated XRP trading signals. Trading bots like 3 Commas, Pionex, or Crypto Hopper to execute trades based on AI-driven strategies. Step 10. Automate a dollar cost averaging strategy, optional. Want to buy XRP over time instead of all at once? Use a DCA dollar cost averaging strategy. Use AI tools for DCA. Shrimpy, AI-assisted portfolio automation. CoinRoll, no-code AI bot for setting up DCA buys. Binance Auto Invest, AI-backed scheduling of purchases. Ask, set up a rule to buy $50 of XRP weekly when RSI is below 40. The AI will manage trades based on your conditions. Step 11. Stay informed with AI news aggregators. Crypto news can affect XRP prices. AI can help you stay ahead. Use Feedly AI or Crypto Panic to follow curated XRP news. Google Alerts plus ChatGPT summaries for headlines like Summarize XRP news today from CoinDesk, Decrypt, and Binance blog. Conclusion. Buying XRP is no longer just a manual process. It can be streamlined, optimized, and made safer with the help of AI. From research and exchange comparison to market timing and portfolio management, AI tools reduce guesswork and risk while enhancing your confidence as an investor. By following this guide, you'll not only be able to buy XRP, but also harness the power of artificial intelligence to make smarter and faster decisions in the world of crypto. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.